The question is asking about the organization of the passage. This is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about certain characteristics that make species more susceptible to extinction. And then the second paragraph talks about large-bodied animals and why they are more extinction prone. And the third paragraph talks about species with small geographic ranges and why these species are more extinction prone. So the passage is organized such that an idea is introduced and two specific cases of the idea are discussed. So in this context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A certain phenomenon is introduced and two ways in which it exhibits are assessed for validity. While the rest of the answer choice is good, there is no assessment of validity in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, a certain phenomenon is mentioned and two ways in which it exhibits are discussed in detail. Yes, this is what the mind map implies, because the mind map talks about the phenomenon that certain characteristics make species more susceptible than others, and then it discusses two ways in which this phenomenon exhibits. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C. Two ways in which a certain phenomenon exhibits are studied and supported by specific examples. So we see that the rest of the answer choice is good, but there is no example in the second paragraph where it talks about how large-bodied animals are more susceptible to extinction drivers. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D. Two ways in which a certain phenomenon exhibits are compared and commonality is found. The passage mentions two ways in the second and the third paragraph, but it doesn't make any comparison between the two methods in which this idea is exhibited. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E. Two ways in which a phenomenon exhibits are presented and the difference in reasons for the two is discussed. The passage makes no suggestion regarding the difference in reasons related to the two ways in which the phenomenon mentioned in the first paragraph is exhibited. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.